Hey pals, craving a mouth-watering takeaway inspired dish that you can whip up in no time without breaking the bank or even leaving your kitchen? Look no further. Welcome to the ultimate Fakeaway sweet chili chicken experience.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to create this epic, sweet and savoury Fakeaway that will leave you absolutely buzzing that you didn't even have to leave your own kitchen and head down to the takeaway to get it. Bursting with flavours of fragrant ginger and zingy garlic and delicious sweet chilies, this recipe is under 400 calories and is an absolute winner of a Fakeaway. It pairs really well with stir-fried veg, boiled or fried rice. And to be honest, I think it's maybe the best Fakeaway recipe that I've done, and I think you're going to absolutely love it. What's more, there's a mere 9 grams of fat per serving, and if it couldn't get any better, it's on the table in about 20 minutes. Right, sound good? This is how you do it.
So we're going to make our sauce first. We're going to use 350 ml of chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, along with 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And then we're going to add 50 grams of sweet chili sauce. Now, you probably know this already, but if not, sweet chili sauce isn't spicy in the slightest, or certainly the kind that I use isn't. So if you like a bit of heat, add some chili flakes or chili powder or hot sauce to the mixture as well, and that will just give the meal some spice, because at the moment it's not a hot dish. Anyway, mix it all through and then get a large mixing bowl, and we're going to make a nice coating for the chicken. We're going to use corn flour, onion powder or onion granules and some garlic powder. Pop all of that into the bowl and then just mix it all through so it's nicely combined. Again, if you want your chicken to be really spicy, you could add some chili to this mix as well, but it's not entirely necessary. But it is necessary to make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss out on the videos. Anyway, add 500 grams of chopped chicken breast to this mixture. Get your hands in and make sure it's all mixed through. I don't think you can really do this as well with a spoon, so you do really need to roll up your sleeves, wash your hands and get stuck in. Set that aside, and then we're going to prepare your vegetables. You want to make fairly large chunks of your peppers, just like you would get from the takeaway. I'm using a green pepper and a red pepper, and then we're going to slice up 4 spring onions as well. Now here's a tip: you can slice up the white part of the spring onion, we'll use that for the sauce itself, but keep the green tops, slice them up and we'll use them for a garnish at the end. Once you've chopped up all your veggies, heat 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a wok on a fairly high heat, and then you're going to add your chicken. Fry the chicken for somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring it regularly until it is pretty much cooked all the way through and is starting to look and smell absolutely delicious, because you're going to be cooking that onion and the garlic will be coming through as well. It's just way more interesting rather than just frying the chicken on its own. Once it's cooked, set aside, add another teaspoon of coconut oil to the wok and add your veggies, remembering to keep the green part of the spring onion set aside because we'll use that for a garnish. And fry those veggies for a couple of minutes. Again, I quite like these reasonably crispy, so I don't cook them for that long, but if you prefer them softer, just cook for slightly longer. It's entirely up to you. Then once they're pretty much cooked to your desired level of doneness, add 10 grams of garlic and 10 grams of ginger. As always, I'm using a combined garlic and ginger paste. It's just so easy for prep, and I'll put a link to the one I use in the description below. Anyway, you're going to fry that for about 30 seconds, and then once that is done, you're going to add your chicken back to the wok. Give the sauce a quick whisk with a fork before you pour it in, just in case any of the ingredients have separated, and then mix all that through so that you've got the chicken and the vegetables are all nicely coated in the sauce. You're going to keep it on a fairly high heat because we want to cook this quickly. We don't want the chicken to dry out, but we want that sauce to really thicken up and reduce down. So keep it on a fairly high temperature for about 7 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it, stir it now and again, and it will really just thicken up and just coat everything and be super delicious. Once it's ready, then just dish it up and garnish with the green part of those spring onions that we set aside from before. So there we have it, another epic Fakeaway, and this looks absolutely delicious, and I'm sure it tastes just as good as it looks, and we didn't even have to leave our own hole. Probably better than the takeaway, to be honest. Certainly cheaper, less calories. Looking forward to get stuck into it. Anyway, if you plan on making this, please do comment below and let me know what you think. And if you're a new viewer, if you are seeing this for the first time, or if you're a regular viewer but you've not had a chance yet, click that subscribe button. There should be like a photo of my face appearing here. And then that means that you'll get a notification as soon as I post a new recipe so you don't miss them. Right, time to eat. Thanks for watching. Speak to you later.